This is my Life Gear glow stick flashlight. Bought on from Costco. It was, I think, around $14 for 8 lights. The problem was that I used it for a day, and I don't recall the light being on all day, but basically it stopped working. And so if you have one of these lights, you can use an AG13 to replace it. It takes 3 of them. AG13 is the same thing as LR44s. So if you actually end up losing the, what's it called, box, it is, just so you know, it uses this brand, AG13 or LR44. And basically I just got bad luck and it stopped working after a day. Again, I didn't overuse it or anything. All you have to do is unscrew this, one screw over here, and it comes off. Let me go and unscrew that to show you. Unscrewing it now, so just believe me when I say I'm unscrewing it. Unscrewed it, and now you just unscrew this. You got that. It's really easy to replace. Now the hard part for me was like, how do you get this out? You could use a little screwdriver and pick it out, but I think all you have to do is just, that's it. You just shake it until it pops out. A very easy mechanism, the switch. And then to pull out the batteries is very easy. Like I said, it takes 3 LR44s. You just have to take a screwdriver and pop it under here. Then you can put your replacement batteries back in. That's it. And then to put it back, it's just a matter of aligning the power switch with the other power switch and making sure you put it in the right way. So that's for the flashlight, so I need to put it that way. So again, align it correctly, push it in enough, test it, and then you screw it back in. You're good to go. So, if anyone got this flashlight, did theirs end up losing charge after a day? This is Costco, so I could easily just return it. But my wife, or actually me, I just didn't want to go to the returns line. And I had plenty of these batteries lying around.